Ooh, when that boost kicks in, that it just like. All right, YouTube. I'm ready to kiss back here. Bringing you guys a video on this NX 350. Let's get straight into it. Red interior. Got this Beamer guy over there going nuts. But yeah, as you can see, this is more of like a sportier SUV. It's the 350 line, and this thing is dope. So listen to some music. But yeah, guys, long trip, which is great for me because I get to review the car. As you can see, it's like a wine color. It's like a wine color that's super dope, very comfortable. I think we're good right here. Put it into sport mode. So this does have a turbo, which I really enjoy. Really adds to the experience. And yeah, let me put the windows up. Does that close it? No, I guess not. I guess you gotta do this one. So now we have it cracked. We'll have that going. We got the ventilated seats, super nice. The CarPlay, this is the better screen. There's a smaller one, which I don't really like, but this is just gonna be my first impressions on driving the NX. And put it into manual mode, M5 downshift. Oh yeah, no, it's got plenty of power. Super quick. All-wheel drive system feels really good, and like it's so like just chill. With the Lexus brand, I think they're very into like comfort, and I feel very comfort feeling in this environment. So if you're in the market for a luxury SUV, definitely at least try one of these. You're gonna get a super reliable car. It's Toyota. Compared to the other brands out there. Let's downshift some more. Wow, that feels good. Now this isn't the F Sport. I don't know if they have a, I'm pretty sure they do have a F Sport, but I feel like it would sound good with an exhaust setup, honestly, because you know it's turbocharged. You know, you don't. Who knows? I don't know what the horsepower on this is, but it's pretty adequate. And yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick video on this car. Other things I like about it, or you know, like the standard. Look at all the safety features this thing has. All these are driving assists. Some of them are super useful. I actually turned the lane departure off, but I'll keep it on. So you can, like, say you go to the side of the road, it literally steers you back onto the road, which is pretty cool. It's a good feature for sure. But it also has a heated steering wheel, which is nice. I'm gonna turn that on. Some other amenities that I really like are just that CarPlay system works well. It's all Bluetooth. And some of them do have a heads-up display on the NX model. I think you gotta get like the technology package. I don't know which one, but the heads-up display on these cars are super intuitive. You use like the buttons on your steering wheel, and you can like change all the settings and stuff, which is super dope. But yeah, super comfortable as well, this ride. The suspension, they nailed it. Definitely some body roll in the corners, but you know, this is more of like a comfort vehicle, so I see why. But when I'm just like, you know, back roads or even highway, city, it's super comfortable. But yeah, we're kind of stuck behind this Honda. I'm gonna give you guys another pull. Hear that downshift. Ooh, when that boost kicks in, that it just like, that's why I love these turbo cars. Cause when that turbo boost kicks in, it slingshots you, or the feeling at least feels really good. But we'll try normal mode. Go back into drive. Super nice as well. Even eco, I think eco is like their most comfortable position. They got some stuff going on out here. But yeah, I also love the styling. I don't know if you saw at the beginning of the video, but the styling of the car I do like a lot as well. Like I was saying, you know, if you're in the market for one of these, definitely go do a test drive. Transmission super smooth. It's a 7-speed. When I shift through all the gears, see. Oh, finally he's turning. Make sure there's nothing crazy going on. Put it back in manual, downshift. Super solid. Very planted feeling too. You know, nothing too crazy. But we'll do like one more pull right here. Yeah, that feels good. I like this car a lot. Definitely go check it out. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Murticus out. Peace.